Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm excited to be able to show you through this generously proportioned family home fronting onto Conservation Reserve at 21 Jarrah Drive in Peregian Springs. Positioned in a very quiet pocket of Peregian Springs, this 6-year-old home feels new with recent upgrades from the current owners. The accommodation upstairs offers zone living with a generous master bedroom equipped with a large walk-in robe and ensuite. There is a living space which divides the master bedrooms from bedrooms 2, 3, 4 and the bathroom. Downstairs there are 2 further living spaces with the kitchen, dining and living area flowing straight onto the pool and outdoor entertaining space. A rare find is the gated side access from the street that leads straight into the backyard, perfect for boats, caravans and trailers. Thanks so much for watching. This truly is a turnkey property. Simply move in and enjoy the lifestyle Peregian Springs has to offer. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.